You know I keep that candy, yeah. I need more like Mandy, yeah. I'm in my head again. I was raised like that, so I guess I never really changed like that.
Well, hey, y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's New Year's is going great. I hope everybody's being safe, having fun, but being safe. All right, guys, so we do have the Edition 16 Deck of Scarlet palette that has just been revealed. Now, this is going to be the palette for January. They used to go every 2 months. Now it's every month, and I'll explain that in a minute. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell is turned on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the same for the BoxyCharm January boxes. Congratulations, Priscilla Morales. I think that's how you say that. If I said it wrong, I do apologize. Anyways, Priscilla says, hey, love, I can't wait for my box. I adore you so much. Priscilla, thank you, honey. That makes me feel so good. And I love putting these videos out for you guys. I love interacting. I love everything about it. And thank you so much for your support. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now if you don't know a lot about Deck of Scarlet, they are a palette subscription. They usually put out a face palette. I've only seen one different palette in all their years of doing this. But it will have 3 eyeshadows, 2 face products, and also 2 lip creams. And it will come with a little something on the side like a mascara, lip gloss, something like that. Some kind of a stick product usually. Now for your first month, if you subscribe, it is $22.46. And every month after that is $25.50. Now again, this is every month. It used to be bi-monthly where you got it every 2 months. But I think it's a really good subscription, especially if you love palettes, because they have got the most unique palettes I've ever seen. So anyways, let's look at the Edition 16. Now this one is in collab with, I think that's called Vianney Strick. I believe that's how you say her name. I'm going to link her YouTube channel below. Go check her out, guys, because, I mean, look at this palette that she done with him. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I would have to get along with somebody that made a palette like this. I love it. It looks like it's cool toned, so I really do like that. You know, it's a nice winter palette. I do love it. So I couldn't find like the names or something on this, so this is the only picture I could find of it, y'all. And if I find any more while I'm editing, of course I'm going to go ahead and include them. But let's go ahead and look at them. So the 3 shadows. Now from what I could see, the first one is like, or that one is like a gray. It looks like it might have a little bit of green in it, but it does look like a shimmer shade. And then it's got a champagne. Of course, that's going to be a silver color or a shimmer color. Y'all know that. And then it's got that skin tone brightener shade. That looks matte, but it could be a shimmer. I'm not sure. You know, I just think it's beautiful either way. And then, of course, this looks like it's a bronzer and a highlight for the face powders in this palette. Now, the highlighter, of course, is that cream off-white shade, which is absolutely beautiful. I bet it really looks good on the skin. And that bronzer looks a little bit warm to me. Even though this is a cool tone palette, it could be cool toned. And this is just the way it looks in the pictures. But it does look like a matte bronzer. Looks like a light matte shade to me. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. And then the 2 lip creams, one of them looks burgundy, and it looks like a matte, and the other one looks like a really deep brown shade. And it kind of looks like a shimmer, but it most likely is a matte shade. I'm not sure. And then that thing on the side, y'all, I don't even know what that is. Hey guys, I'm editing, and I found out that that is a glitter liner. Now, she does have a video up on her channel showing this palette and the liner. So again, I'm going to link that below so y'all could go check it out. Check out Vianney Strick. I don't know if I'm even saying her name right, but she's the one that made the palette. So most likely on her channel, she's doing her makeup with this palette to introduce it or whatever. So I would go check her out and see what that palette's about. But anyways, that is it. And as soon as we start seeing February palettes, of course, I'll keep you guys updated. And as always, Deck of Scarlet is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations. Joy, is it Corsino? I hope I said that right. Anyways, Joy says, you're the best. No, Joy, you're the best. Honey, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. It just warms my heart knowing you guys support me. You support my channel. I just love it. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. You got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.